Discussion channel. So again we'll be solving the 19 rules of inference. It's from page number 401 till 402 from the book I am copy Introduction to Logic. So let's solve the question. So moving to the first question, A horseshoe negation A, therefore negation A. So this is the question. So again, in this particular question, as we need negation A for the conclusion, what you can do is you can simply use implication here. First implication, and then after that you can do tautology here. So it will not be simplification, but it would be tautology. So it is tautology. So please correct this part. It is tautology, not simplification. B dot C horseshoe D bracket and then C dot D dot B. So in this particular, first what you can do is commutation. Commutation may be just simply change the place. It would be Q dot P. So again, therefore P dot Q. After that, what you can do is you can use C. So we have C here, and then the bracket is being shifted to D dot P. So आपने association used. Moving to the next question number 3. Again, it's very easy. E wedge F, meaning addition. First may, second may be addition. In a sense that second point may be you have added first may addition, E पे addition G, and then simply conjunction. So in such questions, what you have to basically do is you have to check the conclusion. If the conclusion is H wedge I, and we know H is already here and I is already here, so now इसमें we can use distribution. Distribution अगर आप करते हो, so this will be P, Q and R. So it would be P wedge I dot P wedge R, in a sense that H wedge R. So again you can use distribution directly here and then simplification. So these questions are quite easy to solve. Let's move on to the next one. Number 5th. Number 5th may, if you'll see, so we have negation of K wedge L horseshoe M. So यहाँ पे what you can do is, as we cannot use any formula directly here, so you can use implication first and then followed by association. Association में again आपका bracket change हो गया, negation K wedge, negation L, and then उसके बाद आपने De Morgan use किया, De Morgan, and last में again the negation is being changed, तो horseshoe में आ गया, तो you have used implication here. So this is it. Moving to number 6, N dot O horseshoe P, N dot O horseshoe N dot O dot P. So again यहाँ पे you have to consider this whole as P and this one as Q, and it is in the form of P horseshoe P dot Q. So again इसमें absorption आपने use किया, so P horseshoe P dot Q के form में absorption आपने use किया, and after that it's easy because यहाँ पे ही change करना था, so you have used association in the second. Moving to the next one. Next में you have to consider this one as P horseshoe Q horseshoe R. So again इसमें if you use expectation, so ये आपका हो जाएगा P dot Q horseshoe R. So what is happening here is this one is P, Q as P, so आपने Q dot R horseshoe R लगा दिया. So इसमें direct expectation लगाया. So you have your formula is here. So उसके basis पे you have to solve the question, and then last में hypothetical syllogism in 2 and 3, because आपका Q dot R is common in both, so you can simply apply hypothetical syllogism. Question number 8, U horseshoe negation of V, V therefore negation of U. So again if you use double negation here, second में अगर double negation लगाते हो, then you can use modus tollens here. So the formula is P horseshoe Q, negation of Q therefore negation of P. So you can simply use modus tollens in this particular question. Next question में, so question number 9 में what is being used here is second में transposition is being used, so the place is changed, right? If you see P horseshoe Q, so that place is changed, negation Q horseshoe negation of P. So place आपका change हो गया. Second में अगर आप लगाते हो, so it would be negation negation and then again negation negation. फिर double negation आपसे you can simply write X horseshoe Y, double negation आपका हट जाएगा, and then again hypothetical syllogism. Question number 10 आपका है Z horseshoe A, negation of A wedge B. So again we can use implication in this. So अगर आपके पास P wedge Q है, so it can be negation P horseshoe Q. So again you have used implication here. So implication से आपका second में implication से ये आ गया. And then again now we have A and A both common, so again you can use first third में hypothetical syllogism. So again this is easy. Now again you have to check the conclusion first. So you need C, horseshoe, negation, negation, E. And to get that, what you can do is second में transposition. Transposition again the place is being changed. P horseshoe Q है. So again it will be negation Q, horseshoe, negation P. So again the place is changed, transposition. And then again hypothetical syllogism. Next question is again based on the material equivalence formula. So we have two formulas here, P tri bar Q. So again you have two formulas here. First one is P dot Q, which negation of P dot negation of Q. So again this formula is being used here. So F tri bar G का formula, first one material equivalence, and then what is being given here is in form of wedge, and then we have negation of P. So if we consider this as P and this whole as Q, so we have negation of P. So again you can directly get the Q part through using disjunctive syllogism. Number 13, the second में expectation लगाया. Expectation again the formula should be clear by now, and then hypothetical syllogism in first and third. Next में CD लगाया. Now again CD का formula is P horseshoe Q dot R horseshoe S. So formula is there, and then we need P and R. If we take this and this and this, so we have L. So we have L wedge N. So we can simply write M wedge M. So because of the conclusion M wedge M, and then again you can use tautology here. Next question में commutation is done because we need O wedge P. So again you can do commutation here or here in the first one, both are correct. So commutation करने के बाद you can simply write modus ponens. Next question, wherever you have a negation S wedge negation T, generally यहाँ पे De Morgan लगता है. So again De Morgan लगाओगे. So again we have negation of P. So आपके पास negation, sorry, disjunctive syllogism से आप easily कर सकते हैं. The formula is P wedge Q negation P, therefore Q. So again it is in the form of wedge, so आप इसलिए इसमें formula लगा सकते हो. Moving to the next question is first में expectation, in a sense that if you take this part, first में expectation, and then again third and second. Third में we have W horseshoe, X horseshoe Y. So again these two are common. So again please note down that आपने पहले कौन सा लिया, third followed by second. So you have to mention in that sequence 3,2 hypothetical syllogism. Next question number 18. Question number 18 again we have used De Morgan and modus tollens. I'm not going to explain, this is similar question. Question number 19 is again easy in a sense that we have simply used commutation here, and then once we get the commutation आपने modus ponens लगा दिया. Question number 20 में what is being done here is that second का association, in a sense that we have J wedge K wedge L. So instead of that it is J wedge K wedge L. So again the association, the bracket is being shifted here. And then again if we have this whole as P, so again we have यहाँ पे negation of, sorry, if this is P and this is Q and we have negation of Q here, so negation of Q करने पे negation of P आ जाएगा. So your answer is here. Next question, first में implication use किया है. So again this part implication is being used here, and then again normal CD आप use किया, that is constructive dilemma. Again you have used second में De Morgan, not De Morgan, second में it should be double negation. It should be double negation, second का double negation, तो ये दोनों negation आपका हट जाएगा. So it will be negation Q wedge negation S, and after this what you can do is first and third में CD. So you have Q and you have S, so you will be left with negation R and negation T. So again please note it down, यहाँ पे double negation लगेगा, not De Morgan. Question number 23 में you need to know the formula of equivalence, material equivalence. Once you know the formula you can easily solve it. So what I have done is second का जो part है U tri bar V, उसको open कर दिया because we have two formulas. So यहाँ पे horseshoe वाला use किया because you can use it here as well. So again empty लगा दिया उसके बाद, that is modus tollens. So we have question number 24. 24 में again equivalence का formula is being used. So again this was again equivalence, and then again equivalence. So we have two formulas. Please learn these two formulas. P try bar Q ka we have two formulas. One is P dot Q wedge negation P dot negation Q, and the second one is P horseshoe Q dot Q horseshoe P. So again you should be clear with these two formulas. So again these two formulas are being used here. Moving to the next one, first and second का conjunction and then उसके बाद distribution in the sense that you have to take A wedge B as a whole and then you can distribute, in a sense ये आपका हो गया P and then Q and R. So इसमें आप distribution लगा सकते हो. So it is P dot Q wedge R के form में. So again A wedge B should be taken as P. Next question में second में commutation कर दिया है. So if you see E wedge F is here commutation से, and then this part is here. So उसके बाद again we have in the form of modus ponens. ये पूरा as a P आप consider करोगे. So we have P here and then Q. So आपको Q मिल गया. The formula is P horseshoe Q P. Therefore you have Q. Next question में De Morgan's, second में De Morgan's use किया है. Negation again this whole as P, this whole as Q. So negation of P wedge dot negation of Q. So again bracket बाहर and then P wedge Q इस form में आ जाएगा. So again be careful with that. And then again यहाँ पे you can use modus tollens. So formula should be clear. P horseshoe Q negation of Q, therefore P आपका आ जाएगा. So we are done with question number 27. 28 में we have used second में expectation. So if you see second, we have this whole as P, this as Q and this one as R. Again P horseshoe Q horseshoe R के form में है. So we get P dot Q horseshoe R. So again यहाँ से आपका expectation हो गया. And once you do that, so these two are common. जैसे ये पूरा part and ये पूरा part is common. So you can easily use hypothetical syllogism here. Next question में again we have used second में implication. So the second one is Y horseshoe Z wedge negation W try bar A. So in इसमें implication लगाओगे तो यहाँ पे आपका horseshoe हो जाएगा and the negation side will go. And then last में 1 and 3 में hypothetical syllogism. So 1 and 3 में hypothetical syllogism अगर आप लगाते हो. So again these two are common. W throw bar this one and then यहाँ पे आपका answer आ जाता है. Now let's move to the last question. That is again very simple. So if you see this whole, so again this is in the form of P horseshoe Q and Q horseshoe P and dot. So यहाँ से this is actually equivalent to P try bar Q. So ये आपका ये आ जाता है formula. So you have used equivalence, and once you get equivalence, you can simply apply modus tollens. Now let's move on to the next page, which is 403. So again you have to use the 19 rules of inference here. So the first question is clear, that negation A horseshoe A is given. So you can simply write A wedge A. So you can simply write A wedge A या फिर double negation of A wedge A. So again both are correct. And then उसके बाद double negation and then last में tautology is being used. A wedge A, it is in the form of P wedge P. So you get P. Next question is simple. यहाँ पे B है and then C dot D. So again B wedge C dot negation B wedge C. So आपने distribution use किया. First में distribution, and once you do distribution यहाँ से आप सकते हो, and then negation B wedge C को आपने change कर दिया. That is implication है. Moving to the next question. Second में distribution. So again this two will come together and this two, ये आपका distribution हो गया. And once you have distribution, the place are being shifted. ठीक है E wedge G, because we need E wedge G और आपको E wedge G simplification से मिलेगा. So again this is very important. You have to do this particular step. So if you remember the formula P dot Q, therefore it's P not Q. So you have to do commutation first and then you have to simplify it. Next is question number 4. H dot I dot J, and then you get this particular conclusion. So again you can see J, I, H, everything is here. So you simply have to do association, commutation and commutation. So you have to work things out here by checking the conclusion. Next question number 5. Again if you see the question, we need N wedge K. So we have n here, we have k here, and then we have l and m. So again first step में l बच m को आप साथ में कर सकते हो by using association, and then उसके बाद n आगे लेके आगे, and then the rest part is written here again by using commutation, and then उसके बाद again you have used association here. Next question is again similar to the previous question which we have done. So again first step में आपने क्या किया, implication लगाया, and after implication tautology, which is similar to the first question, and then after getting tautology से negation P, you can use modus tollens. Question number 7, second में absorption लगाया, Q horseshoe R, Q horseshoe R dot Q dot R, so absorption. And once you have absorption, you have used first में exposition. So again P horseshoe Q horseshoe R के form में है. So again you have Q dot R horseshoe S exposition, and then hypothetical syllogism. The next question is T horseshoe U, negation of U wedge V. So उससे negation T चाहिए. So we already have negation T, तो ये वाला part आपका. So if you see the second premise, we get two double De Morgan. So you can use De Morgan, and then you can get U negation U dot negation V. So again once you do that, simplification कर सकते हो, and once you have simplification, you will see that you have U negation U, and then you will simply get negation T by using modus tollens. Question number 9. First का again distribution. So this formulas are being repeated again and again. Distribution De Morgan. So be familiar with the formulas. First का distribution. So you have to use distribution in first, W के साथ X and then W के साथ Y. And once you are done with distribution, तो आपने यहाँ पे De Morgan लगा दिया. Second में De Morgan लगा लिया. And then last में you have used third, 4 में disjunctive syllogism. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में यू हैव डन सिंपली कॉम्यूटेशन. यहाँ पे z वेज a था, यहाँ पे a वेज z हो गया. सो यूज कॉम्यूटेशन फर्स्ट एंड देन a एंड देन z वेज b. सो कॉम्यूटेशन से एसोसिएशन, एंड वंस यू आर डन विद एसोसिएशन 4. सो अगेन 4, एंड वी हैव नेगेशन ऑफ a नेगेशन ऑफ a. इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वेज, सो वी विल बी यूजिंग डिसजंक्टिव सिलोजिज्म. डिसजंक्टिव का मीनिंग होता है वेज, राइट, डिसजंक्शन. सो अगेन यू विल गेट द आंसर फ्रॉम हियर. Question number 11, commutation again. So you can use commutation here or here, it's up to you, but it's better अगर second में करते हो. C wedge D commutation, and once you have the commutation you can easily get this by using modus ponens, and we need E by simplification. Question number 12 you will see again ये आपका ट्राई बार के फॉर्म में. सो अगेन प्लीज लर्न द ट्राई बार फॉर्मूला, दैट इज मटेरियल इक्विवेलेंस. वंस यू नो द फॉर्मूला यू कैन यूज इट एनी हाउ. सो पहले आपका हॉर्सशू में है, एंड देन यूज मटेरियल इम्प्लीकेशन, एंड देन अगेन यू कैन यूज मटेरियल इक्विवेलेंस अगेन, एंड देन यू कैन गेट द डिजायर्ड कंक्लूजन. Question number 13, distribution is being used. I am not going to repeat what distribution is. And once you get distribution, next question number 14, first में if is P, again यहाँ पे expectation is being used. So again you should be familiar with the formula P horseshoe Q horseshoe R, and then you get P dot Q horseshoe R. This is the formula of expectation. So again you should be familiar. And then you can use transposition. Transposition में place आपका change हो रहा है, यहाँ पे already negation है, so you will get O horseshoe P, and then उसके बाद 3 और 4 में hypothetical syllogism. We have 3 and 4 में hypothetical syllogism because these two are common, so आप easily hypothetical syllogism use कर सकते हो. And number 15 is we need T wedge U, and then we have T here, we have U here, T here, and then U also here. So if you use first में expectation, which is R horseshoe S horseshoe T, so वहाँ से आपका expectation से ये आ रहा है formula. And then after using expectation, what you have to do is you have to use distribution in the second. So second में आपने distribution कर दिया R dot S which R dot T, and once you are done with that, you can use at constructive dilemma. So again the formula is important. P horseshoe Q dot R horseshoe S, and then we have P wedge R, therefore Q wedge S. So again this is an important formula which is being used here in the constructive dilemma.